Escala up, guys. Wow, welcome back to another Urbex stinky abandoned house adventure. Guys, this house smells. I just walked in and it stinks. Good thing you guys can't smell YouTube videos because I'm smelling this one right now and it's not good. First of all, guys, thank you to Rhythm Rider and Zenning with Zay. They were nice enough to share this location with us, and that's why we're here today. This is somewhat of an abandoned time capsule house. Only difference is between a regular time capsule house and this one, well, there's a lot of decay, a lot of damage from time. So it's a very old house, very smelly, very dusty, pretty busted up. But it's going to be a good one, guys. So let's get right to it. Cue the music, cue the intro. See you guys on the flip side. This video is sponsored in part by LoomCube. LoomCube lives to help us create better content. Hit the link in the video description below to shop LoomCube's wide assortment of products and use the code FreakPhoto at checkout for 10% off your LoomCube purchase. Okay guys, let's get right to it. Straight ahead, I see a very interesting looking room. We're not going to go there yet. We're going to start here. Here we've got an old Coke bottle, a needle, a clock, and a thermos or a jug standing on top of sitting on top of this thing right here. As we move over, we've got a very old china cabinet here. Take a look inside, guys. We got a flag in there. Got a British flag here, guys. Okay. Oh, so as you can see, guys, the floor in this house is a mess. It's just been totally, there's a bone right there. It has been totally tossed over. There's just stuff everywhere. And I believe Rhythm Rider told me somewhere there's a dead cat in the house. I don't know where it is. But I will warn you, we might see a dead cat in here. Oh, look at all the raccoon crap. Oh, God, that's disgusting. They have filled the sink. How do raccoons know to go in the sink every time? This is always interesting when there's still dishes in the cupboards. Hey, look at this. Wow. All right, we got to watch our step in here, guys. There's a lot of stuff on the floor. I don't want to get hurt. Okay, so we got to be careful. This room is disgusting, and I don't want to spend a lot of time in this room. Actually, this whole house is disgusting. Never mind just the room. All right, gotta watch our step here, guys. Okay, check out this kitchen table full of players. This guy liked his coffee and his cigarettes. Rotary dial phone on the wall there. So if we can make it through here, let's just watch our step here, guys. We can get through to this bedroom. And we've got an old radio way over there and another one right there. I really like those old radios. Couple of dressers, and then a disgusting, nasty single bed here. Oh, there's the cat. Dead animal alert. So sorry, Mr. Kitty Cat. He got mummified, and this is now where he lives. Very, very sad. So sorry, Mr. Cat. You didn't make it out alive. So again, yeah, this guy likes his Tim Hortons coffee and his Players cigarettes. Wow. Okay, here's a look at the kitchen from this angle. I'm going to get out of here as fast as I can because I don't like this kitchen. We're going to go around to that part of the house. Pretty dangerous in here, guys. Pretty dangerous. Can get a what is up, guys, in that mirror. There's the coffee right there. Kettle. Got a knife sitting there. Okay, let's go through here. Fake plants right there on top of the fridge. Let's head through here, guys. Get out of this death trap. I don't know how I'm going to get pictures in here. This place is disgusting. Heading on through here. And it's not looking good upstairs, guys. So it looks like somebody fell through the floor there. Wow, what a mess. This room here is going to be cool. Let's go straight through to this room. Hopefully we don't fall into the basement. Oh. Love this room, guys. This is what I like to see. Got a nice big window to light up the room. And then you've got some very attractive green furniture. Green couch. There is raccoon crap everywhere in this corner here, guys. Like, I mean everywhere. Very old picture there of what looks like some nurses. I like that picture. Let's go take a look on top of this this hutch here and see what we got here, guys. Got baby Jesus there. Got a lot of baby Jesus here. Do we dare attempt to go upstairs? What do we think, guys? I mean, the stairs don't look so bad. It's the floor I'm worried about. Whoa, look at this bedroom. So much stuff. Got what looks like a twin bed there and a single bed here. All kinds of paperwork all over the bed. I'm going to guess we're empty here, guys. And I guessed right. This looks like one of those old doctor bags that the doctor on Little House on the Prairie would bring. Soap, baking soda. What's up, guys? I know you can't see me through my light. Look at this, a brand new pair of socks. Trying to move slow here, guys. I know you get mad at me when I move too fast. Trying to pan slowly so you guys can see and take it all in. An old radio there. Iron down there. What's in here? Old stuff. Clothes in the closet. Okay, guys, let's keep going. Got some suits here in this side of the closet. E.D. Smith apples. Bathroom. And again, the raccoons always know where to go. Look in the toilet, guy, or look in this tub. The raccoons poop in the tub and in the sink. All kinds of old stuff. All right, let's head over to the next room, guys. Rocking chair. Wow, this room had a lot of newspaper in it, and it's all been shredded all over the floor. And again, the raccoons are pooping in that bucket over there. Who taught raccoons how to poop in places with holes? I'm not going in that room, guys. Forget it. All right, this is where things get scary because we have a hole in the roof that has gone down to a hole in the floor. And that room right there is where I want to go. So we have to be careful, guys. This looks like a good room, too. Okay, I'm going to step very carefully here. Over. Okay. And we're in. Okay. Whew. This room's in really good shape. Look at that. What's up? It's empty, guys. Looks like we've got a personal grooming kit here. 1955 Cadillac Owner's Manual. Interesting. To Peggy and Sarge. That's the second thing I've seen that says Sarge. So the guy's nickname was Sarge. So much stuff to see. Okay, guys, let's try and get out of this room safely and back downstairs. This is where everybody steps, right here. Okay. Round. And I'm out, guys. I made it. This upstairs won't be an upstairs for much longer. look at this, guys. I can take you guys from downstairs into the upstairs. See? Okay, guys, we're going to wrap this one up. I'm going to take some pictures and get out of this stinky abandoned house and move on to something else. So, I really got to change up the things I say in my outro because I always say the same things. But hey, guys, as always, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for being subscribers. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please do hit that subscribe button. Help grow my channel. Go back in time and catch up on my old videos. Catch up on my newer stuff and stay tuned for all the stuff that's still to come. The things I always ask, guys, number 1, hit the like button. Number 2, drop me a comment down below. Number 3, share the video if you can. And number 4, like I just said, subscribe if you're not subscribed. Most important though, guys, hit the like button and drop me a comment. If there's anything else you guys can do, if there's anything, that's all I need you guys to do. Like and comment. And as always, guys, thank you to my friends at LumeCube for hooking me up with this light right here. There's a link in my video description to go to the LumeCube website. You can shop their products if you're a photographer, videographer, YouTuber, blogger, vlogger, TikTok, Twitch, all those things, anything. Zoom meetings, e-meetings, online meetings. They have all the lights you guys need, and I can't get enough of them. Use my code FreakPhoto at checkout, guys, to get yourself 10% off your LumeCube purchase. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Love you guys. See you next time. Peace.